Hi there and welcome to this lecture. To master Facebook ads and to really be able to use it to scale your business and to take it to the next level, you should first understand what are Facebook ads campaigns and how they are structured. A Facebook ads campaign is divided over 3 levels. In this lecture, I will walk you through these 3 levels and explain to you the options you can control at each level. The 3 levels are the campaign level, the ad set level, and the ad level. Each campaign can contain different ad sets, and each ad set could contain multiple ads. When you go to your ads manager and you proceed into creating your first ad, Facebook walks you step by step through creating your campaign first, your ad set next, then your ads. At the campaign level, we have to choose our marketing objective. We have to explain to Facebook what exactly do we want. Do we want to reach more people? Do we need to do some brand awareness? Do we want to get more traffic to our website? Or do we want to generate leads or maybe have some conversion? Through this masterclass, we will dig deeper in each one of these objectives and we will explain to you which one you should choose to get maximum results for your business. But for now, we are only going to introduce you to the different campaigns levels. So let's get back to the ad set level. At this level, you choose the schedule of your ad, when it starts and when it ends, your daily budget, the audience you want to target, and the ad placement. Let's say I want to target people in France and people in USA, and I'm not sure which location will work best for me. I can create 2 separate ad sets, and I tell Facebook to target people in France in the first ad set and people in USA in the second ad set. In this way, I will be able to be in control. How is that? Let me show you. When I start running my ads, and if I see that France ad set is working better, I can keep it running while I can shut down the USA one or try to optimize it. Also, another example, if I have a certain doubt that people having a Huawei will be more interested in my product than people having an iPhone, then I will create 2 different ad sets, each one targeting people having a specific phone, and see which one converts better, and then shut down or optimize the second one. Personally, I prefer creating multiple ad sets in order to have more control and to see which one is performing better than others and scale it. After we have seen the second level, which is the ad set level, we'll move to the third level, the ad level. At this level, we will choose everything related to our ad, the copy, the images, the video, and the links and everything. You can also put different ads under the same ad sets, which is something I personally prefer not to do. I prefer to only put one ad under each ad set. In this case, all the budget will go to this ad and I can really measure its performance. Because if I put 2 ads under one ad set, then Facebook will assign the budget that will go to each ad. And I really don't like this. So if I want to test 2 ads to see which one is better, I create 2 ad sets and I put 1 ad for each ad set and then I start testing. This lecture is only meant to give you a quick introduction into Facebook ads campaigns. So if you felt anything unclear or blur, please do not worry, because in the coming lectures, we are going to dig deeper into the different Facebook ads campaigns levels, and we are going to reveal to you the best practices you should use in order to scale your business and make more profit. So stay tuned with us and let's meet in the next lecture.